Today, more than ever, every litre counts. The New Zealand dairy industry is impacted by the ever-changing climate issues, global economies and shifting consumer demands. Recognised as one of the most resilient industries in New Zealand, dairies are continually adapting and embracing technological processes to improve their production, reduce waste and enable a sustainable future of dairy produce for Kiwis and the world. In this competitive sector, having the right operating environment in place provides peace of mind. Investment in adaptable technologies both at the farm and process levels provide security in future-proofing processes and meeting food production guidelines. Bürkert, as a fluid control expert, assists dairy producers to reduce their cost to market in simplifying installation, commissioning and maintenance, whilst meeting strict regulations. When partnering with dairies, Bürkert take the time to understand you, your needs and your processes first. We look at your successes, your challenges and areas where you wish to expand and future-proof your production for larger distributions, because at Bürkert, we make ideas flow. With Bürkert, our customers benefit from our deep pool of expertise, superior service, as well as gain access to our reliable, sustainable product range. From standard componentry to engineered solutions, Bürkert speak your language. Contact us to find how we can help.